This is part 2 of showing you that building a PC is not hard. Alright, so we got the motherboard. Let's throw it in our PC case. So guys, when you're building a PC, it's gonna come with this thing called an instruction manual. And that's all you need. And if you don't have an instruction manual, let me show you what to do. Oh no, I don't have an instruction manual. Hey Google. My point is, building a PC is not hard when you have the world's largest database and information resources at your fingertips.